Joint press statement of the Take It Back movement and the coalition of victims of Oworonshoki illegal demolition over the nonchalant attitude, total negligence, and continuous threat by the Lagos state government 1 year after the first eviction, demolition and displacement of close to 10,000 people at the Oworonshoki area of Lagos. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, greatest Nigerian people, we, the undersigned organization, condemns with strong vehemence the nonchalant attitude, total negligence, and continuous threat by the Lagos state government to the poor people of Oke-Eri, Odunfa, Lone, Ogo-Oluwa, Precious Seed, and Coca environs of Oworonshoki area of Lagos. Today makes it exactly 1 year that the Lagos State Police Task Force, acting on the directive of the Lagos State Ministry of Environment, invaded the Mosavejo and Precious Seed community of Oworonshoki with bulldozer and armed police officers, thereby burning and demolishing houses without even allowing people to take their properties. About 1,000 homes were either burnt or knocked down by bulldozers, rendering over 10,000 residents homeless. It should also be of note that the Lagos State has a historical record of being notorious for forceful evictions and destruction of homes and livelihood of the poor working people. According to a 2017 Amnesty International investigation, nearly 2 million Lagosians had been forcibly evicted from their homes and workplaces by the Lagos state officials over the last 2 decades. And this eviction have continued since Sanwo-Olu became governor of Lagos in 2019 and even more. The main aim of this forceful eviction is to grab lands from the people, the poor people of Lagos, and redistribute it to the rich and powerful through private developers. We also want to bring it to the notice of the public that 1 year after illegal demolition and forceful eviction, we have recorded 13 deaths as a result of the aftermath of the demolition, which includes 4 children, 2 men, and 7 women respectively. This also includes thousands of victims that are made homeless and their means of livelihood ruined. It's also sad and pathetic that up to date, the Lagos State Governor and government entirely, led by Babajide Sanwo-Olu, has turned a deaf ear to the plight of the victims. Instead of awarding compensation, including resettlement of the thousands that have been unjustly displaced, made homeless, and without property, the Lagos State Governor and government continued to issue threats under different guise to evict more people from the community. Just about 2 weeks ago, some unscrupulous elements said to be working under the directive of the Oba of Oworonshoki, Oba Babatunde Saliu, who was formerly the vice chairman of Koshofe local government, issued a threat to the people of Precious Seed community and ordered them to vacate their homes before 1st of August 2024. In order to create more space to build a shrine called Igboro, we need to reiterate that the right to shelter is fundamental human right, which is guaranteed in the Nigerian Constitution. The fundamental objectives and directive principle of the state policy as stated in Section 16, subsection 2D of the 1999 Constitution, provided that the state shall direct its policy towards ensuring that suitable and adequate shelter is provided for all citizens. It is on this note that we call on the Lagos State government, under the leadership of Babajide Sanwo-Olu, to immediately, first, call the Oba of Oworonshoki, Oba Babatunde Saliu, to order on the recent threat to Precious Seed community to vacate their homes before 1st of August 2024. Second, to award compensations, including resettlement of the thousands that have been unjustly displaced, made homeless, and without property. Third, pay a visit to the families of the 13 people that have lost their lives as a result of the demolition and provide adequate compensation for their families. We refuse to be the lamb that is sacrificed on the altar of the insatiable greed of an elite minority. We cannot continue like this. Sign, Take It Back Movement and Coalition of Victims of Oworonshoki Illegal Demolition.
With the demolition, I can say to the way they are said is from government. But according to what people are saying, that government say they don't have hand in what is going on. And Oba as well denied that he don't know what is really going on. So please, I want them to tell us exactly who came to demolish our houses and burn our properties, and make us to look as we are not a human being again, which is very wrong to a human being or elected people that will elect them in power to rule us and to destroy us. Because I don't know the reason why you take your fellow human being as maybe it's nothing to you. Because I believe, to the way I thought, or to the way I know, human being, because Bible even let us know that love your neighbor as yourself. Who is a neighbor? Is a human being like you, not an animal. Even animal in a foreign country, they do value them. But I don't know a reason why human being did not value us in this Nigerian country. Because I don't have a reason that I'm living in peace with my family. You came to demolish my house in a way that I lost my wife. Till today, I'm in pain. And today clock 1 year when they demolish my house. Because they don't care, because it's not their own family. It's not them that this thing is going on. And after this, they have never one day came to our land and said, how are these people coping? Because if you go to this land now, some people they don't even have a money to build even a one room for themselves.
It's not okay. I'm not happy to see the condition of people. Even the way they are living, I don't even like it. Because some people doesn't have where to sleep. They are sleeping on sand or ground. So I'm begging government to render help for them and to know the source that the order come from, because we don't know. When we went to the House of Assembly, my people said that the House of Assembly said they didn't know anything about it. So I was surprised. So it's a pity. I don't know what to do, but we are calling the government to help the poor people, to help us where to live. We don't know. We normally vote for APC. So we don't know how this issue comes from.